Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And today I have a special guest with me. My brother is here with me, and he's gonna cook with me. He don't really know how to cook, but you know.
I know how to cook.
He's gonna be here with me today, and we are going to show you how to make fried mochi ice cream. Give us a minute, we'll be back. Okay, so for this fried mochi, and if you don't know what mochi is, this is a box, there's different brands. It's ice cream wrapped in actual dough. So I figured since it's wrapped in dough, we should be able to fry it, right? That's what I thought. So, and I have some dulce de leche. And I only have 2 of them left because we kind of ate them all. But we're going to try to fry these up. And this is what they look like. It only comes 6 in a thing. So, in a container. So, they look like this. So, this is what we're going to need to fry up our ice cream. And then I also have a tablespoon of sugar and also some cinnamon that I sprinkled in there to make a cinnamon sugar mixture. Okay, so what we're going to do, my grease is hot, and I am going to drop these really quickly because we don't want the ice cream to melt on the inside. So it's not going to take very long to fry, but I thought this is something simple and easy that everyone could try at home. So we're going to hope and pray that this comes out right. Give me a second. Okay, so Dwayne is my sous chef today, and we're going to just drop this in for a hot second. You see that's frying up really nice. I probably should just, let me see if I can get it in there for you. Take that out. Look at that. Look at that. The ice cream didn't melt. We're going to put it on our paper towel right there. We're going to get the next one. Let's see. Pop it out. Okay. There you go. Oh, it's starting to melt. Only for a hot second. Get that ice cream in there. See, it doesn't take long. Okay, pop it out. There we go. Now look at how nice and brown that is. All right. Did we burn it a little bit? That's okay. That's okay. I think it melted a little bit. I probably could have left it in there a little longer. But that's okay. So this is what we're going to do. We're only going to do one in the cinnamon and brown sugar mixture, because my brother can't have all that sugar. Okay?
I'm not to taste that, you're going to be...
No. You're going to taste it. Well, taste the one that you're not going to eat. Which one you're not going to have. I mean, which one you're not going to have in the brown sugar. I mean, in the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, here he is. He's going to taste and see how good that... And crunchy.
Good.
It's crunchy, isn't it? Yeah, and that caramel and everything. So, huh? I'm gonna, let me roll this around in the, I'm gonna roll this around. Oh, it's still cold on the inside. That's a good thing. I'm gonna roll this around in the brown sugar, in the cinnamon and sugar mixture, and see what we have. He said it's good, y'all, so I guess we did a good thing here.
Put this one in there too now.
Okay, put a little bit. Now he's cheating. He's not supposed to be doing this. This is delicious. When you fry this up, the dough.
Still, it's warm, but the ice cream.
Yeah, the ice cream is and you have a nice crunch and a crust on the outside of it because the dough was raw. Now, typically this is ice cream that you would eat with the dough being raw. Yeah, but you fry this up. Oh my goodness, you have something amazing. It's really good. Huh?
This one tastes better fried.
It does, doesn't it? They have several flavors, but he ate up the mango one. We had some mango.
Hit the like, subscribe,
And comment.
And comment button if you like what you see and you're interested in more recipes, and she'll get you up. Hit her up on the like. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that comment button.
All right, you heard my brother, so y'all better hit that subscribe button, like, comment also, and we will see you the next time. I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye. Oh, and I forgot, hit the notification bell. Bye.